The government has suffered a setback in its plan to supplement the country's food security needs by importing genetically modified foods. This is after the High Court issued orders stopping the Ministry of Agriculture and Trade from allowing any genetically modified food in the country. The Attorney General has moved to the Court of Appeal to challenge, the Attorney General had moved to the Court of Appeal to challenge a decision of the High Court suspending the importation of GMO products on grounds that no scientific evidence had been adduced to oppose the same. With that report is Lois Owangui.
Tomorrow I'm signing a gazette notice to allow for importation of up to 10 million bags of maize.
The three-judge appellate bench of Mohamed Warsame, Abdi, Ali Aroni and John Mativo dismissed the application by the government to stay a High Court order barring the importation of GMO production into the country. The bench holding the application by the Attorney General lacked merit and was not made in public interest. This means that the government cannot allow importation of GMO foods until the High Court case is heard and determined. In its appeal, the government had urged that the adoption of biotechnology involving the use of GMOs will significantly contribute to addressing the challenges facing the country in terms of food security, as it will lower the cost of raw material for animal feed industry. The decision of the courts now throws President William Ruto's administration to a limbo on how else to supplement food security needs, seeing as the country is slowly toying out of a 5-year drought season, characterized by poor rainfall and consequently reduced yields at the farms. Currently, President William Ruto has recently pronounced himself on a reduced pricing of unga to 150 Kenyan shillings for 2 kilos, but the product still retails between 202 to 248 Kenyan shillings. Kenyan Peasant Leagues, which opposed importation of GMO foods in the country, had told the High Court that the foods pose a health risk to Kenyans, particularly the poor and low-income earners. Lois Owangui, NTV.